day.
Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Julia Casanova Guerrero, 45 years old. I'm married. I have 3 children, ages 22, 18, and 13. I have one brother and one sister, and I'm the youngest of the family.
Okay, so okay, so what is your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
So do you have experience abroad?
Yes,
Where?
in Dubai.
How long did you work in Dubai?
2 years.
2 years. So what are your duties and responsibility?
I'm taking care of the children, ages 7 and 5 years old.
Okay, how many are they in the family?
They are 4
Members.
members of the family.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Newborn.
Newborn. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So, who will take care of your children if you will go in Hong Kong?
I'm my husband.
So, your husband have worked here in Philippines?
Yes, po, ma'am.
What kind of job?
Farmer and a construction worker.
Okay. Okay, thank you.